Welcome back, everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML semantic elements. And right now, we'll be discussing about the HTML header element. The header element represents a container for introductory content or a set of navigational links. The header element represents what? A container for introductory content or a set of navigational links. A header element typically contains one or more heading elements from H1 to H6 tag. You can have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 till H6 tag. Logo. A header element typically contains logo or icon, and also a header element typically contains authorship information. You can have several header elements in one HTML document. However, header cannot be placed within a footer address or another header element. Header element cannot be placed within a footer element, address element, or another header element. Don't you forget that. So quickly, let me show you how header element works. As you can see right here, we are having our article element, opening and closing article element. Right here, we want to give an header to our article element, article element. Now we give it header, we give it header, opening and closing header inside of it, and also we are having h1 tag and p tag inside it. So after inside the h1 tag and p tag is where we wrote our content, and also immediately after the header closing tag we have another p tag which talks about the content, which is top 10 strengths in web space science and technology component that symbolize the strength in nature, changing people lifestyles with free education, science and technology etc. So we are having that one immediately after our closing header tag. So as you can see, so let me show you how this works quickly in our document to see what's going on. In our document we are having all this right now for now. So let's quickly, because I don't want this tutorial get too long, this is what I will do. Let me write everything from scratch first, then I'm going to explain it for you guys by copying and paste all the other things that we may need. Let's say we have article element right here. Inside this article element right here, we can have header. So when we define header inside here, we can have h1 tag. After the h1 tag, we can have p tag. You understand that? So immediately after this header closing tag, we can have another p tag right here for the main content. So that's how it goes. As you can see, they are separate. So firstly, we are having what? We are having header, we are having article, then inside our article we are having header element and p element, and inside the header element we are now having h1 and p tag. So that's where we are going to place our contents. So let's place some contents inside it, like all this. Let's quickly copy and paste this because I don't want this to get long than I thought. So this shouldn't take our time. So let me quickly copy all this. Please stay focused and let us keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. If you don't practice, I'm not sure anyone can go anywhere. We need to practice this every time. So that's how I got here. Also, I practice every time. So let me show you. I just want to show you quickly how this works. I don't want this to delay us, so we can get to our next tutorial. Let's reload this. Can you see what does TTS do? TTS top 10 strength. Top 10 strength is a web space science and technology component that symbolize the strength in nature and so on. As you can see, changing people lifestyle with free education, science and technology etc. It's very looking nice. It's looking very nice now, right? So that's how we can use our semantic element to control our document gently, and we can style it more than the way we want. Anyhow we want, we can style it. So that's what I want to show you guys to right now. So anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Have a great day.